Hi all, this is Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the euro versus the US dollar and US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Basically looking at the US dollar strength has come through going into the end of January, having been very much range bound for the second half of January, but US dollar strength resurfacing on Friday into the end of the month and favouring a stronger US currency within G3 now versus the euro versus the yen as we go through into February. So first of all, on the euro, very much defined by an erratic range theme really since this surge high that we had all the way back at the beginning of December, but certainly a negative topping threat in here from this choppy range theme we've had, and the sell-offs that we saw here going onto the intraday chart, the sell-off we saw on Friday through supports in here with the 108 handle, leaving bias lower for this 107.77.71 area and this key support at 107.08, and should we break there, that completes a more significant top and a bigger picture, more bearish threat then going into February. For the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, we're going to take a look at there. We had this surge higher. Here we see the intraday chart, which took out this important 120.65 level. The Bank of Japan changing monetary policy in here, shifting dollar yen higher, a weaker yen, and on the daily chart, what we'll see here, that surge higher, creating really a shift to a broader range environment in here, and that broader range we now see is 123.57 to 117.62, but certainly with an upside bias now as we go through into early February. This has been Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.